What happened here?
Same story. Different dockyard. I've called in a pro.
Hi, detectives.
Jones, this is Leum. He's a docktective. Leum Jones. Leum here is an expert on ramping gone bad.
That's right. And from the look of things here, it looks like this ramping's gone rancid. Someone was trying to unload these crates of stolen fish into their lair without a loading dock.
Well, they had this ramp.
That's not a ramp. That's the stamp of an amateur. Look at it! No handrails, no safety legs, and no dock leveler.
Is that bad?
As bad as your mother's breath.
Well, your breath is, well, it's pretty fresh, actually.
I don't know how many more docking disasters we're going to have to see until people get that a Dockzilla portable loading dock is the only safe way to load and unload trailers without a loading dock.
A Dockyard what?
A portable loading dock. It's a self-standing ramp that's impact resistant, so the dock won't move when the trailer's back into it. It's also got an integrated dock leveler that provides a bridge for forklifts to drive in and out of the trailer. And the front legs hold the ramp stable if a trailer unexpectedly drives away.
Yeah, you can see tracks from where the trailer pulled away here and the ramp crashed to the ground. Then the perps hot-footed out of here before the job was complete. Dockzilla features keep users nice and safe, like your virginity, Jones.
Wait, I'm not a... how did you know?
And only Dockzilla offers solar-powered operation, which allows you to operate the dock leveler with the push of a button, regardless of your location.
Smart. But what if you need to move a ramp around every day?
Dockzilla's mobile loading dock offers easy maneuverability with a forklift and patented automatic features that eliminate safety hazards during setup. There's no hand cranking for wheel placement or making your forklift operator drag this thing around with only one fork engaged.
I guess you got it all figured out.
Not everything. Why were lowlifes out here in the middle of the night, transporting foul fish?
Because I asked them to. But clearly, I should have asked someone with better equipment.
Who are you?
Who cares? Look at her.
The name's Rena, and I need help. Look at what those brutes did to my eyes. You want to make Rena happy.
We want to make Rena happy.
Great, boys. Now let's get to work.